MC get back up.
See what them do? What's the money?
What's the money?
Kartel?
What's the money? They don't want a cartel better.
DJ Triple go ahead by bigging up some community that he was not even in. So the community that he was in have war with the community where DJ Triple are big up. So the community where DJ Triple actually are big up, the man them come to DJ Triple and say, loud that alone. Don't big up them man they around here, so. We and them man they not good. DJ Triple go ahead and keep playing to the part where him reach, where him say, no man can't tell me what to do, and a man can't tell me who to big up. So while he was there DJing and have fun, the same man who tell him not to big up the man them, and him continue to play a song say, go bad up your mother, feel say your bad, step on the bank grabber.
Yo, it's not funny, but DJ Triple X. Now, him just come a foreign and experience exotic things in people. Like, remember say, Triple was in handcuff before. Remember say, Triple was in jail before when he come a foreign, right? And now him come experience, our boss said, an hospital.
Yo, breaking news. Triplex is in the hospital in London battling for life. Triplex gone to London, gone bad up himself. I pick up enemy and I play enemy song and Triplex here send off a play it. The man they want Triplex and Triplex no play them the song them big up them place there. And Triplex I tell him man and say Jamaica can come from and the boy can't tell him which song for play and which people for big up. The man them bust up him bumbo clot up there.
Welcome back to Vibes and Inside with Nando. You know it's your boss in our building. So we see where Triplex go to England and him get him head bust up. Now me have to share my take on the whole situation. For one, Triplex go foreign go get him head bust up. Most of the things say yard and foreign are the same thing. Right? Over the years, we see say Triplex always go on this way like him ain't a bad person or bad man from the media. I see him go to England there, go get him head bust up. It is said that Triplex went to England and I play for a party and them a play in an area where a certain rival gang there and them no want to hear a certain gang name a big up. So Triplex got a party and I big up some other man name in a party and I say some things. So a man approach him and tell him say, yo, we don't want you to big up such people name in a party and rare. So him Triplex feel as if him bad anyway him go or whatever. And go play a Vybz Kartel song. I say, go bad up your mother. Feel say your bad step on my bank robber. And that way him do cause him forget him head boss. So me not understand. And then now him come on the media and make it seem like say, yo, because him a play Vybz Kartel song. And him a go make the media run with it seemingly like say, yo, a Vybz Kartel song cause the beef, which is not Vybz Kartel. The man them approach him, tell him say, stop call certain people name in the party or stop big up. One thing you have to understand say, and everywhere are the same thing. And gang violence and gang rivalry always are got the any and everywhere you go. Now him going to Brixton and I big up some other places name where some other man a rival. And you go and say, you go and play a song and say, go bad up your mother. So that means show say you disrespect. So that's why the man them it lead to you getting your head bust. Triplex is a man, bro. Triplex do all sort of foolishness on the media. And him know him man a bad man. And him tough up himself and go on the most like him and a bad man. So we have one Kevin attack and we have another. We have Triplex a share film scenario how the situation happen. But you can't clearly read between the lies and say a lie matter. Can I make it seem like say a Vybz Kartel song cause the beef and more everybody run with this and rare, but by all means, it's not Vybz Kartel song because of him own negligence. I behave like say him bad anyway him go. You must remember say yard and foreign and the same thing. You can't go people place and think you can do as you please, not because you're a selector. You can't go to people play. So, me have a clippings with Kevin and me have a clippings with Triplex and me have to play it for you so you can hear it.
Well-known selector, Triplex from Jamaica, was in South London last night, DJing. But for some reason, Triplex was playing gospel first. While he was playing gospel, he was sprinkling island powder. And I say, I get rid of the demon spirits and all these things. Then, DJ Triple go ahead by bigging up some community that he was not even in. So the community that he was in have war with the community where DJ Triple are big up. So the community where DJ Triple actually are big up, the man them come to DJ Triple and say, loud that alone. Don't big up them man they around here, so. We and them man they not good. DJ Triple go ahead and keep playing to the part where him reach, where him say, no man can't tell me what to do. And a man can't tell me who to big up. So while he was there DJing and have fun, the same man who tell him not to big up the man them, and him continue to play a song say, go bad up your mother, feel say you bad, step on the bank, grab her. Remember say DJ Triple and Kartel are good friend, you know. Because we see him in London with Kartel. You understand? So, the same man circle back DJ Triple and bust up him head with a buckle. Send him in the hospital. Now, as selectors, when you go to some places, there's some place even in America, you can't go big up certain community because of the gang. I see same thing with Jamaica, where you have PMP and labor right. In America, you have the gang members with the Bloods and the Crip and the folk and all of these things, what them have. So if you're there in a certain community, you just can't big up some man. I have to know that, brother. You can't go a community, you violate the community by yourself, and the man them not there to defend you. So now a man bust up your head and send you in the hospital. Now,
Exactly, people. The same thing with me I say. Them money I got foreign, you know. Them not on the links and them not on the connect. And them are taught the badness like them on any bad man, knowing say them are just selector. Them not have that thing about them, the badness about them. And you got to man them place a big up enemy, man. Brother, you could have lose all your life for that, brother. Actually, you don't even know how certain people roll. You can't do something like that. That's why selector have to know them place when it comes to certain things, when them are big up any links. That for sure and say, yo, you can't go people place, boy, you pick side with people. More likely people tell him about the rivalry we are going to England, the two side of gang. Or him just not know the full story what go down. For him himself big up somebody else or big up another rival gang side, knowing say the party we are in is the enemy party. You can't do that, brother. You could have dead there, so you could have lose all your life. The man could have come up to you, come pull you with a knife or something, or even shoot you in a party. So you have to learn a lesson from them situation. Yeah. Too many times, Triplex, and it's always a situation with him over foreign. People never notice, anytime Triplex go foreign, something always occur with him. Is either him a thief or something, and see the now, man bust him in with a buckle. You have to learn a lesson from things like them, your youth. No can't go like say you're not a bad man or whatever. You don't even have the links, them. Me no know if you have any links out there, but from my understanding, it don't seem like you have no links we can defend you, because see, you got England, Brixton, go do something wrong, or something wrong that you're doing, brother, and then you come over the media now and make it seem like, say, oh, a Vybz Kartel song, make the situation happen, and now you're going to make the whole media believe as if a Vybz Kartel and somebody in a beef or something, why the man them bust your head, and when it's not that. So, people may have Triplex here, so I talk about the whole situation, but we all know say him a pretty up and hide whatever him for hide up. Him not talk the honest truth, so I want to listen it and tell me what you think in the comment section.
For the people that say, me did disrespect nobody. I mean, the footage is there, the dance is there, it's posted on YouTube, the entire event is there. And I can go watch for myself and I can come defend myself and I can make my own judgment. For the people who know me, knows that I'm an entertainer. You understand me? Entertain, I play to the audience. I play for myself and I play for my ego. Start play some bad man song. I play Vybz Kartel, Commit. You understand? I play intro the song, play the song. And when I play the song, I was signaled to by an individual that them no want hear no cartel, or him no want hear a cartel. And somebody came and give a money pull up for the song, for the commit. Pull up the song, reintroduce the song, ignore the gentleman, reintroduce the song, play the song. Somebody else come give a next money pull up for the cartel song. Reintroduce the song again, play the song. Play a couple more songs. The gentleman who told me not to play the song came up in the DJ booth, or where the DJs were supposed to be, and come bounce me and itch upside of me. So turn around, stop the music, ask him brother, where you deal with it? Where you come and bounce me and come and pray me? So he walk to the far end of the stage and give me a bad look and I say, brother, no, they didn't think that. Individuals some in the party run come on the stage and I say, yo, I'm good. At Brixton, there, yo, no man can this, no man can style me. And the man come and say, yo, pick a man there, no man can this, and be a man come and say, yo, boom, Triplex, I want to fuck up the place, go on do your thing. I turn to him, selected him back at me and I say, yo, no man, no make no man come around. I say, no man not supposed to come around here, so continued and proceeded to play. See the forward that was given, I did play. Vybz Kartel, Bumble Wall, go bad up your mother.
See people right there and then, you see in a whole conversation how the whole ego thing and show come in now or get in play. Right there and then, after the whole scenario, the situation, the man come page you, the man come tell us him no want hear this or him no want hear that. Then you proceed to play Bumblewall, go bad up your mother. Clearly shows that you're not taking no talk. You disrespect the man them plain and straight. So why you wouldn't expect the man to come this you and lick you with the buckle, even though me not uphold a man, lick a man with a glass buckle or whatever you use to hit somebody in a party. Because gone are the days where selector usually get beat up because they play certain and certain artists. But a modern days, we not expect that. But at the same time, the whole thing surrounding this situation is that Triplex a big up a different side of rival and the man them when in a party I tell him say, yo, don't disrespect the thing, Don't big up them man then at a party and rare. So he used Vybz Kartel's song for cause the commotion and cause the situation to escalate, and that's why him get him head bust with a buckle.
You understand? Intro the song, play the song. 4 corner forward, snap with the place. Tear down the place, play whites, and then play right after play whites, play squash song, big breeze, fuck up the dance, play about for another 10 minutes. And then the owner of the venue came and said, okay, the people who know the venue know that the venue is also a church. So they came and said, oh, I have to lock off the sound now, and leave because they have to empty out the venue, fix up for the church, the early service, the Sunday morning. So we're done. Everybody will have them flyers now. I say, people, all the flyers, I say, Sunday, so big up the party, them, because music turn off now. Enjoy the rest of the day, I read the flyers then. And the gentleman was to my body, so right, standing the whole time, we have about 6 or 7 selectors. 6 or 7 selectors, they come and sit down. And I say, all right, be a man there, so I'm not trying to pray. I just read the flyer then. And thing, I feel something lick me in my head. But first I something drop out of the ceiling and lick me in my head. That's right to God. I hold on on my head and walk off. And I look and I see blood in my hand. I grab my towel, press it on my head, and turn around and I look. Oh. Some ladies I say, are the same youth. Where come bounce you? Do it. So the man sneak up back at me and lick me with a buckle and run out like a punk.
And that is an example why God people place and exalt on yourself and behave like someone I am mighty, because you got England, you do what you do, and you get your head bust. Because you use ego, and because you're a selector, you feel like you're a selector, you can do as you please in a people place. Now you disrespect the man them by bigging up them rival or them enemy. And go play a song back at that showing that, oh, me not take no talk, go bad up your mother. Bumble will go bad up your mother. So that's why the man them lick your brother. And I like say because literally because of a Vybz Kartel song. The Vybz Kartel song came in play because you dis the man them then proceed to play a Vybz Kartel song. Show and say, yo, you not take no talk. No care where you go. And you see that type problem with selectors. Them go places, go play for people, and them don't know where them really depend. You don't even have links in a man them place, or you know mechanic at the very moment when the man them disrespect you, and you go in a man them place and do what you do, and that's why you get a head boss, brother. That's why you get a head boss. And it's sad, but at the same time it's not sad because Triplex is a man where love thought up yourself and behave as if, yo, I am mighty or nobody can disrespect you. So you go somewhere and you learn a lesson and you experience where it is to get your head bust in our party by selecting and disrespecting people. So kudos to you, brother. I say it go.
Yo, it's not funny, but DJ Triple X. Now, him just come a foreign and experience exotic things, people. Like, remember say, Triple was in handcuff before. Remember say, Triple was in jail before when he come a foreign, right? And now him come experience, our boss said, an hospital. Like, Triple, why you can't come a foreign come do like every normal tourist who want to see the Empire State Building, a person who want to go up on the river and just go in on board. Triple, you couldn't just come and say, yo, I want to go see where
At the same exact thing me I say, bro. Every time this man come a foreign, I something with him. It's like him like for hear him name calling in the media. You go to England now, go get your head bust. I hope you learn a lesson from something like this, brother. Because every time you go foreign, there's something will occur with you. Either you are a thief, steal in a people's store, America. Now you go England, go get a head bust. Where else you go get something happen to you? I hope you learn a lesson from this. And people tell me what think about this whole thing with Triple X, because Triple X I put on this bad man persona knowing say him not have no bad man links like that, or him not do nothing like that. So if you have yourself a mix up in a them thing, it will cause yourself danger, bro. You are in danger your own life, brother. And next time you going to learn a lesson, because them say the third time is a charm, so sometimes you have to be careful what you do other people. And you just know what you have to do you, and people just let me know anything. You know, our vibes are inside with Nando. I'm out. Peace.
Twin Tower did they, go up on the Brooklyn Bridge or something like that. You understand? Go see the Statue of Liberty. Like, who no want to come experience? I mean, America me I talk about, but me know say in a way, Birmingham, wherever you're there, in England, me know say them have some place where you can go actually take 2 pictures and be a tourist. Why you can't do that? Every time Triple come a foreign, Triple getting some kind of problem. Brother, you can't do badness and selecting, brother. You understand? We don't want to lose you. You cannot do badness and selecting. You have to choose a road, Triple.